I told him that I had gone by Haskell Institute in Lawrence, Kansas. Well, it's Haskell Junior College or something now. It has a different name. On our way back from Kansas City, and he was just telling me that he's been there for the last 2 days, seeing how, just meeting with the administration and seeing the program and what helps we could give and that kind of thing. I thought that was pretty interesting. Anyway, I'm sorry I neglected the class. We are on Holiso Hostina Pokoli Tas. I'm sorry, Pokoli Hanali Akucha Hanali. Holiso Hostina Pokoli Hanali Akucha Hanali. If you will, for part A, you'll send in the even numbered sentences. Part B, the odd ones. And part C, the even numbered ones. On part A, even, first one is you are washing. I'm saying, are you washing it? Are you washing it? Ish achifaho. This is going to take the agent marker. Ish achifaho. Number 4, he helped her. He helped her. Apila took. Apila took. He helped her. If you will, just don't send in any of the English. If it's just send in your answers. It helps me because when I see the English, I'm actually looking for the Choctaw, and it helps me if you will just send in the answers and not send in what's in the book as well. Again, number 4, Apila took. Number 6, you in the plural found him. Again, I'm reading the English again. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next one and start reading that one because that's just got the Choctaw by itself. You in the plural found him. Hush ahochi took. Hush ahochi took. That's correct. 8, are you looking for me? Isahoyoho. Isahoyoho. And on something like this, I have asked you to write the full form, ish, and sa, then hoyoho, instead of writing the ISSA, because ISSA is a Choctaw word. So in order to keep from being misunderstood, if you will write the full form, it's very helpful. Number 10, I washed it. Achifali took. I washed it. Achifali took. 12, you in the plural helped me. Hush siapila took. This is also the HVSH and then SI. Hush siapila took. Always write the full form. You in the plural. Hush siapila took. And then 14, he helped you. He helped you. Chiapila took. He helped you is chiapila took. Do you have any questions on this part? Ishachifaho. Apila took. Hashahochi took. Isahoyoho. Achifali took. Hashsiapila took. Chiapila took. Okay, if there's not any questions, I'm going on to part B. B. The first one is I am embarrassed. Sianoktoklo. sianoktuklo. 3. Is he tall? Chahayon. Chahayon. 5. They are in control. Kostini or Okla Kostini. 7. Are you angry? Are you angry? Hachinokuahon. Hachinokuahon. This is you in the plural, so it would be hachi. Hachinokuahon. Number 9. He is crazy. Tasimbo. Tasimbo. And on part C, translate to Choctaw using the correct subject for each predicate. Be sure to note whether the predicate has an agent subject or an affected subject. We're looking at the even numbered ones on this one. I am sad. I am sad. Sanokanklo. Sanokanklo. 4. You all entered the town. I'm sorry. I misread that. That should be room. You all entered the room. Abuha hashchukwatuk. Abuha hashchukwatuk. Number 6. Chiabekahon. Chiabekahon. We don't use the M form. Okay, let me go back to number 4. I see abuha at hashchukwatuk. Abuha is a noun, but it is not the subject of the sentence. The pronoun hush is the subject of the sentence. So it's an error to put a subject marker after abuha. Abuha is not the subject. It's the object, which is why you have, when you have an agent marker, that's the subject of the sentence. The noun that is in the sentence is going to be the direct object. Abuha hashchukwatuk. And when we have agent pronouns like ilo, all of those agent person markers, they're going to come directly in front of the verb. There will not be a word placed between the two. Okay, let's go to number 8. Itiwituk. Itiwituk. Then we have, I found it. Ahochili took. Found this in the past tense, so we need to use the past tense in Choctaw. Ahochili took, to say I found it. Ahochili took. Nampanaklo hashishi. Okay, I'm not going to get into another lesson today, so if you'll mark your page for 72. We'll begin with the vocabulary words of chapter 8 when we come back. Okay, y'all have a good weekend. Come back on Monday. We'll learn some more Chahta Anumpa. Page 72 for Monday. Chipin Salachiki.